So see here, you need to change ownership. So already I changed Apache to Apache. Apache server able to access these files, this this entire folder. So you need to change, you need to give permissions for that. So these are the right execute permissions for Apaches. Sudo chmod hyphen r means recursively folder inside folder, right? That's why parent folder, subfolder, subfolder. So you need to give this recursive, then only this command will work. Otherwise, will get. As a EC2 user, we don't have access to this folder. This only Apache. So that's why, as a EC2 user, I cannot able to access this location. That's why getting access denied. Go to root sudo su hyphen cd var www html. See, already I changed this 7 read write execute. Now check the folder cd no ls hyphen lr th html. See here all owner group Apache full access read write execute. Others only read write. There is no execute permissions for others. Okay. Time, time. So this is the time or length, file length, size of the file, which means human readable format. So this is okay. Next, now restart sudo system ctl restart http copy, try to access from browser. So now application is just to can able to access home page only. There is no database. We need database setup. So click on continue. It is asking DB name, data, database name, database password, and host. Let's go. WordPress admin, admin 123, localhost. So which name, which host here we need to provide? Anybody knows? Hello?
Database local host here. 3306.
But this is cloud. How we are providing localhost? So go to DB RDS. You need to create DB. Next setup is over and try to access application browser. Okay. Mhm. See, understand why you are providing HTTP security group section. So server able to listen this HTTP request. That's why. Next step, setup DB, MySQL DB. Or configure MySQL endpoint using AWS RDS service. Next, this is RDS, right? If you want to create any database using RDS, we need some components like DB subnet code database, subnet Next, parameter group. So this is the RDS console. Subnet group. Create subnet group. Use it for SPI application. Choose VPC. Production VPC. So availability zones. North California, we have only 2 availability zones. That's why automatically selected those. Next, subnet group. You can choose subnet groups. So here, VPC, subnets, the DB, right? That's why you need to choose DB, subnet groups. ID 17B, 41, 41, 17B. So you need to identify like this. That's why service ID is a mandatory. Understand?
Yes.
This is service ID. We define this subnet range, right? Masking. Create. Next, parameter group. Use it for choose engine. Yes. Aurora. So you can take parameter group. MySQL, Aurora, MySQL. సో ఎర్రర్ రీడ్ చేయండి మీరు నాకు క్లియర్ చేయాలి ఏమంటుంది అది హలో
Yeah, Parshram.
Yes, Ram.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎర్రర్స్ ఫేస్ చేస్తే రిజాల్వ్ చేయాలి కదా, ఏం చేయాలి?
Parameter group name not valid అంటుంది కదా. ఆ, అంటే సమ్ స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా నేమ్ కి. Must begin with letter, must contain only ASCII letters, digits and hyphens.
So created. Some of the special characters not allowed. That's why getting error. So this is just now created. So these are the logs. See, active all roles on login. So based on this DB team and all, they are analyzing is there any issue came into the picture. This parameter group is helpful for finding issues and all. See here backlogs and some cache size. So each and every tag has specific use case you need to understand. See here logs, general logs, files. So a lot of things. Next, the subnet group is over. The parameter group is over. Create DB. So here understand types of databases. So relational database, RDS. Second one. Non-relational database. In memory. Data warehouse. So AWS service is a Redshift. Non-relational is a DynamoDB, like MongoDB. RDS means MySQL, MySQL. For in memory, Cosmos, I think. DB. Total 5 types ఉంటాయి. So one more okay. Next, so now we need MySQL, right? Now configure MySQL. So relational means relational databases. So here, each and every table has relation. Means they are using joins for mapping all the things. If anything is goes wrong, entire DB will impact. That's why this kind of DBs can be called as relational databases. So it has rows and columns, data maintained by using rows and columns. So like this. This is the table. These are the columns and these are the rows. So like that, data is going to be maintained. See, this is the tabular form, product table, sales table. So these all are rows. These are columns. That's it. This is rows. These are columns. That's it. Next, non-relational databases. There is no relation between each and every table, only document type. So I'm finding just here all are document type. There is no relation like this. Each table separate, maintaining data. So next, create MySQL database. Choose MySQL. standard. See, you can use set all of the configuration options include ones for availability, security, backups, or maintenance. So that's why going to create standard type. So just you don't want anything backup security. Security is common, backups and maintenance, then go for easy creation. So these are the options for creating DBs, number of DBs. So choose our case MySQL. This is the community edition. The engine version. View the engine version that support following database features. This is the version you can choose. Three. Enable RDS extended support. You need any community support, then go with enable it. That's it. So currently we are in production or free tier. So it mostly applications deployed in production, right? That's why choose production. If it is dev test staging activities, analysis purpose or POC, go with dev one test. So here free tier. Currently we are in free tier, right? This is the organization purpose, production. First understand the components, configurations. So DB name, SBI, application, YONO application, right? So next, password, copy, SBI, the master password, means root password like that. Self-managed or managed. If it is managed means create secret manager. So first you need to understand secret manager later. So select self-managed. Create your own password. Have RDS to create password that you manage or automated. If you selected automated, automatically it is generated. So no need. Admin 123. Admin 123. So password is over. Next, instance configuration. The DB instance configuration options below are limited to support by the engine that you selected above. So here we have instance classes, DB database instance classes, three types. Standard class, including M classes, memory, optimized class, including R and X classes. So they are classified in multiple types classes. So you need to understand documentation. Burstable classes. So tag is the T. So production mostly use standard classes only. If you need more performance optimized memory, then go with R and X tags. So this is the 8 GB RAM, 2 core CPU. Amazon RDS optimized write supports 4750 megabytes per second. Read and write operations. Next, IOPS. So automatically it is taken IOPS. Input and output per second SSB type. See here, low latency. If we need more, this is flexible. So that is taken low latency means it is high availability, high durable, intensive storage, IO intensive storage. So storage allocation, by default, it is taken 400 minimum. Minimum is 100. So by default, it is taken 100. You can change 100 as well. So maximum, see here, 65,535 ZB. They are giving storage for us. 65,535 ZB means more than elastic file system. Elastic file system only 47 ZB, 47,000. So here IOPS, provisioned IOPS, 3,000. If you use up to 160,000 IOPS speed, so that many read and operations. So here by default it is taken 3,000 only. If you increase, so we will get more charges. Ratio between IOPS to GB ratio must be between 0.5 and 1,000. Next, storage auto scaling. So here, database always you need to create multi-agent concept. Multi-agent means this is primary, this is secondary. Means high availability. One, this primary is down, secondary will bring up. So primary is down, secondary will bring up. This is primary database. This is secondary database. So like that, you need to manage, set up the configuration. That is mandatory. If one zone is down, automatically entire application is gone. So తూర్పు తిరిగి దండం పెట్టుకోవాలి మనం అప్పుడు అందుకని సో కంపల్సరీ మల్టీ ఏజెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూస్ చేయాలి. Maximum storage threshold 1,000. So up to they are giving 65,535 GB. So initial maximum it is taking 1,000 only by default. Dedicated log volume. If enable, it will generate DB logs. So DB team will take care about all those things. This is the multi-agent deployment. Retail does not, this support is not available for free instances. So you can choose standby instance or so multi-agent. Already told you this one multi-agent. Go with this is recommended for production. Create standby different availability zones to provide data redundancy, eliminate IO freezes, and minimize latency spikes. during system backups. So understand, is there any backup mechanism is going on in that case? This multi-agent is very helpful. Next, so connect via easy to compute, right? That's why choose it easy to is a SBA, you know. Already automatically pop up because already part of VPC. You don't want to connect easy to compute engine, then select this one. So by checking itself, only we are taking this option, connect to EC2 instances resource. So DB tables checking and all. So other, so recommended this one only. Do not connect an EC2 compute resource. This is the IPv4 pool, already we set up network. Choose security groups. See here, subnet group automatically pop up. That's why you need to create subnet group. So automatically it is taking two availability zones. Any one of multi-agent ones, one instance created in one zone, other instance created in other zone. So that's why. So here two subnet groups are there. For this instance created this subnet group recently. That's why you need to choose public access disabled. If you need public access, enable it. That's it. Automatic backups. The additional VPC security group. So if already you have any security group, provide, otherwise create new one. Or existing SBI, you know, right? So select. Next, certificate authority by default, but real time DB community providing certificate for connecting these kind of servers. So this is default. Or you can choose